Yes, good afternoon, beta.
This meeting is being recorded.
Today we are going to start with the revision of symmetry chapter because today we have test of symmetry in the evening. Yes, Drishti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read the question.
Yes, ma'am. How many lines of symmetry are there in a regular pentagon? Answer 5.
Excuse me, madam. Regular pentagon is there. Regular means whose all sides and all angles are equal. So in case of regular pentagon, there are 5 lines of symmetry. Next, yes. Riddhima, read out. Yes, Guneet. Sanchit.
Ma'am,
Yes.
question second.
Yes.
How many lines of symmetry are there in a rectangle?
Yes.
Ma'am, 3.
2. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. One vertical and one horizontal. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. One rectangle and one horizontal. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Next question. Yes, Arshia.
The order of rotational symmetry of a circle is infinite.
Yes, a circle has infinite line of symmetry. A circle has infinite line of symmetry. Got it? Next.
Yes, sir. Shall read the next question and give answer.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, your mic is muted.
Yes, beta, start reading.
The order of rotational symmetry of the following figure is answer 2.
2. This is rectangle. So rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry, one vertical and one horizontal. Yes, next. Yes, Guneet. Khushi,
Yes, ma'am.
read out.
Which of the following has only one line of symmetry? Answer is C option, a semicircle.
Very good. Rectangle की कितनी होती है line of symmetry, खुशी? Yes, Shreya.
Which of the following has only one line of symmetry? Answer is a semicircle.
Circle. Okay. Next. Yes, Drishti.
Yes, ma'am. The angle of rotation of an isosceles triangle is
Isosceles. हाँ जी.
ma'am, 180.
नहीं बेटा, आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल को जब आप रोटेट करोगे तो वो 360 पे ही आपको देगा. देखो एक बार बना के देखो जरा, सेम फिगर कब आती है? 1 मिनट. आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल है, उसे ड्रॉ करो. ड्रॉ करके चेक करो, रोटेट किया आपने. angle of rotation कितना आएगा उसका?
360.
Ma'am, 360.
So it will be same on 360. Order is 1 and angle is 360. Next. Yes, Ridhima. Harman, read out.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out next.
How many
Hmm.
how many lines of symmetry are there in the following figure? A1,
कौन सी फिगर है?
T.
की लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है T. वर्टिकल, इसमें एक ही लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है, दैट इज vertical line of symmetry. So T is having one line of symmetry. Next. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read out.
How many lines of symmetry are there in a scalene triangle? Ma'am, 0.
Scalene triangle has no line of symmetry. Isosceles triangle has one line of symmetry. And equilateral triangle has? Yes, anyone?
3 lines
Three.
of symmetry.
3 line of symmetry. Equilateral triangle has 3 line of symmetry. Yes, next. Regarding parallelogram, how many lines of symmetry are there? Yes,
None
Samriti?
of these.
Yes. Yes, Sanya.
Ma'am,
Jaspreet?
0.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, the answer is 0.
0. Parallelogram has 0 line of symmetry. Does parallelogram have rotational symmetry? Rotational symmetry तो बेटा सब figures में होती है, ठीक है? Whenever you will rotate the figure, surely at one time it will be same as the original figure. So rotational symmetry is there for every figure, but line of symmetry you have to be careful. Yes, the order of rotational symmetry about this figure. Yes, anyone? Yes, Samriddhi?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. The order of rotational symmetry of the following figure about the point marked X is 3.
Okay, 3. देखो ना, अगर आप इसके तीनों कॉर्नर्स को ज्वाइन कर लो तो इट विल बी सेम एज इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. तो it will give you answer same as the figure equilateral triangle. Which of the following has rotational symmetry? Which of the following has rotational symmetry?
ma'am, shall I give this answer?
Yes, Shreya.
Ma'am, answer is first.
Which of the
Ma'am?
following has Hanji?
Answer is first.
Yes. रोटेशनल सिमेट्री किस फिगर में है? एक्चुअली हो है तो सब में ही, लेकिन सबका ऑर्डर 1 आएगा, लेकिन इसमें सबसे ज्यादा है. हर ईच एंगल ऑफ रोटेशन पे 90, 180, 360, 270 पे इट विल बी सेम. तो फर्स्ट इज योर आंसर. यस, मितुल, अनुराज, रिव्या,
Then the order of rotational symmetry of a circle is infinite.
The order of rotational symmetry is infinite because at each angle it will have rotational symmetry. जितना मर्जी रोटेट करते जाओ उसका एंगल ऑफ रोटेशन जो है वो ऑर्डर आएगा ही. मतलब इनफाइनाइट है. 0 डिग्री पे भी, 1 डिग्री पे भी, 2 डिग्री पे भी, इट विल गिव यू सेम सर्कल. यस, नेक्स्ट. समृद्धि, आर यू देयर? समृद्धि,
Ma'am, answer is
वेट बेटा. श्रेया वेट करो. रिव्या,
The rotational symmetry of order 8 is 2.
order 2. Okay. The figure which can be rotated into itself is said to have a dash symmetry. Yes, Kushi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who is this?
Ma'am, point symmetry.
Which symmetry?
Point symmetry.
Who will give answer? Yes, Drishti. A figure which can be rotated into itself is said to have dash symmetry.
Rotational symmetry.
Yes, it's यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ point symmetry. No, but it is rotational symmetry. The point about which the figure is rotated is called
Order. Order.
The point about which the figure is rotated is called. हमने बुक में किया हुआ है टेबल. Point of center of rotational symmetry भी आ सकता है क्योंकि बुक में आपके गिवन है. जिस पॉइंट के अबाउट रोटेट करते हैं दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड पॉइंट ऑफ रोटेशनल सिमेट्री और सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशनल सिमेट्री. हमने किया था ना कि इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल में जो पॉइंट होता है वो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ मीडियन होता है. सर्कल में जो होता है वो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ डायमीटर होता है, दैट इज अ सेंटर. दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट इज yes, who will read? Yes, Jasleen, Hanji.
The number of times a figure fits into itself in one complete rotation is called the order of dash symmetry. Rotational symmetry.
Yes, the figure that fits exactly on itself in a complete rotation is called order of rotational symmetry. Yes, next.
A rectangle has rotational symmetry of order 2.
A rectangle has a rotational symmetry of order 2. Okay. And what is the angle of rotation? If the order is 2, then what? 180. 360 divided by 2, that is 180. Next, who will read?
A figure is said to be symmetrical about a line if is identical on either sides.
Yes, about a line. Next is, yes, Jalash, read out.
Yes, ma'am. An isosceles triangle is symmetrical about bisector of angle included between the dash of sides.
An isosceles triangle is symmetrical about the bisector of the angle included between the dash sides. Equal side. Included between the equal side. तो इसका मतलब जो isosceles triangle की line of symmetry होती है, that is also called angle bisector. ये लिख लो बेटा रफ नोटबुक पे. The line of symmetry in isosceles triangle is called angle bisector. The line of symmetry in isosceles triangle is called its angle bisector. Next. Yes, Ridhima.
Yes, ma'am. If ABCD is an isosceles trapezium such that AB is parallel to DC and AD is equal to BC, then it is symmetrical about the line joining the midpoint of AB and DC.
Yes, हमने ये ड्रॉ किया था नोटबुक पे. If ABCD is isosceles trapezium, the vertical line will be there. That is joining the midpoint of AB and DC. फिगर को नेम आप कुछ भी दे सकते हो, but answer will be same. Yes, Arshia.
Yes, ma'am. A rectangle has two lines of symmetry, each one of which is the line joining the midpoint of the opposite sides.
Yes, exactly. Because one is the horizontal line and one is a vertical line. So both the line will be formed by joining the midpoint of the opposite side. Yes, Jalash?
Question number 10.
Yes.
The line shape will fit into its one complete turn is called the order of rotational symmetry.
But बच्चे repeat. आपकी voice clear नहीं है. एक बार दोबारा करो.
Ma'am, the number of times a shape will fit into its one complete turn is called order of rotational symmetry.
Yes, yes. It's called the order of rotational symmetry. Anmol is there in the class. Anmol, Naman, Mitul, Hardik Uppal, Hardik Bhutani. Why you people are not responding in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Read next.
An equilateral triangle has a dash symmetry of order 3, rotational symmetry.
Yes, rotational symmetry of order 3. Next. Arush. Yes, beta, read karo. Mitul.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out next question.
Rotating a figure through 90-degree clockwise.
Loud, be loud.
Rotating a figure through 90-degree clockwise is the same as rotating it anti-clockwise through 180-degree.
Clockwise में 90 टर्न करवाओ या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में नहीं 180 नहीं आएगा 270 आएगा. जैसे सपोज करो 9 o'clock हुए हैं अभी नहीं 3 o'clock हुए हैं तो 3 o'clock में 90 डिग्री है लेकिन अगर 12 वाली जो है 12 हैंड पे जो हैंड है वॉच का उसको अगर आपने 12 पे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज लेके आना है तो कितना डिग्री का रोटेशन होगा 270 का रोटेशन होगा वहां पे. ठीक है, अच्छे एमसीक्यू दिए हुए बेटा इस साइड पे अच्छे एमसीक्यूज है यहाँ पे learncram.com रीड कर लेना सब. नेक्स्ट मितुल रीड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Yes, Arshia. Anyone else? Yes.
Ma'am,
करो बेटा करो.
rotating a figure through
Be loud.
180 degrees.
Loud.
Rotating a figure through 180 degree clockwise is the same as rotating it anti-clockwise through 90 degrees.
नहीं एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में भी 180 होना चाहिए 180 आएगा. कि मैं आपको फिगर बना के दिखा देती हूँ. नेक्स्ट करो एक नेक्स्ट मैच द कॉलम प्लीज फाइंड एवरीवन प्लीज फाइंड द आंसर. फर्स्ट का आंसर क्या होगा सेकंड का फाइंड ऑल द आंसर्स. डन. चलो फर्स्ट का आंसर बोलो अर्शिया बोलो आप.
A rectangle has rotational symmetry of order 2.
ओके नेक्स्ट दृष्टि जलश जल्दी से. बच्चे सारे मैच द कॉलम में ही कंसेप्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है। रिधिमा बोलो, जलश, श्रेया, खुशी।
An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry.
ओके नेक्स्ट, रिधिमा।
A circle has infinite lines of symmetry.
ओके यस जलश, श्रेया।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, letter A has rotational symmetry of order 1.
यस नेक्स्ट,
A number of lines of symmetry of a regular hexagon is 6.
6. Okay, now everyone draw the alphabets that has only vertical line of symmetry. Hurry up, draw the alphabet that has only vertical line of symmetry. Yes, next, letter C of English alphabet has reflection symmetry. रिफ्लेक्शन सिमिट्री का मतलब रोटेशनल सिमिट्री नहीं है, मिरर सिमिट्री है, लाइन सिमिट्री एक ही बात होती है। मिरर इमेज आ जाए, मिरर रिफ्लेक्शन आ जाए, रिफ्लेक्शन सिमिट्री आ जाए, ऑल आर सेम। यस सान्या।
मैम हॉरिजॉन्टल में है।
यस इट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ऑफ सिमिट्री। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सान्या।
मैम 0।
State the number of lines of symmetry of a quadrilateral. 0. Next.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I give the answer?
Yes, Guneet, yes.
How many lines of symmetries are there in an equilateral triangle? Answer is B, 3.
Yes, how many lines of symmetry are there in isosceles triangle, Guneet?
One.
And what about scalene triangle?
0.
0.
0.
Next question. Jasleen, read karo.
Yes, ma'am. Letter G of the English alphabet.
loud.
Letter G of the English alphabet have reflection symmetry about A option, neither horizontal nor vertical.
Yes, G alphabet has neither horizontal symmetry line and nor vertical symmetry line. So it has no line of symmetry. Next, yes, Jasleen, next question.
State the number of lines of symmetry for a scalene triangle.
Prabnoor, Rudra, Saksham, give answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer the better next question ka.
Which of these letters has only rotational symmetry? S.
अच्छा S में
Ma'am,
horizontal S में line of symmetry है? Do S has line of symmetry?
no,
Yes.
ma'am.
No, S में line of symmetry नहीं है. What about E? E has?
Yes, ma'am.
Horizontal.
Yes, horizontal. B,
Horizontal.
Yes, ma'am.
P.
No, ma'am. No line
बताना
of
है
symmetry.
rotational symmetry फिर किसमें है?
S.
S. P में क्या है फिर? P में बेटा rotational symmetry होगी.
मैम P और S दोनों नहीं आएंगे?
हाँ दोनों आएंगे. गलत लिखा हुआ, इसमें एक होना चाहिए था, वैसे दोनों आंसर. चलो नेक्स्ट. यस सक्षम, सात्विक, तान्या, तरुण, वैभव.
मैम scalene triangle.
Which of the following triangles has no line of symmetry? Scalene triangle. Next, state the lines of symmetry for a parallelogram.
0.
0. And it has rotational symmetry of order 1. Rotational symmetry है, but line of symmetry नहीं है. H.
Ma'am, both horizontal and vertical.
H has both horizontal and vertical. Yes, Arshia, can you tell me the alphabet which don't have any line of symmetry? Arshia?
Yes, ma'am.
Alphabets that don't have any line of symmetry.
Ma'am, F, G, J, K, L, N, P, Q, R, S, Z.
Okay. And the alphabet that are having both line of symmetry?
Ma'am, H, I, O, X.
X, I, O, H. 4 alphabets हैं. They are having both line of symmetry, and there are many alphabets that are having no line of symmetry. Yes, Drishti, alphabets having vertical line of symmetry. I want all of you to respond. Kindly raise your hand so that I can unmute you.
Yes, ma'am. A H I M O
H.
T
ठीक है.
T U V W X Y.
Okay. And horizontal line of symmetry?
Ma'am, horizontal B C D E H I Ma'am X number C.
Okay. Twelfth question. बोलो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. How many lines of symmetries are there in regular pentagon?
Yes. 5. Next. Next question.
Ma'am, I will.
बोलो
Which
बेटा.
of the Which of the following has both horizontal as well as vertical line of symmetry?
H has both line of symmetry. Yes, next.
Say the number of line of symmetry for a rhombus. Answer is 2.
2. कौन सी होती है श्रेया? रोम्बस में कौन सी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है?
Yes, ma'am.
Rhombus में which type of line of symmetry rhombus have? Yes, Jalash.
Ma'am, slanting line of symmetry.
हाँ जी, जो डायगोनल होती है ना, डायगोनल वही लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है. ये किया हुआ है हमने बुक में क्वेश्चन. Which of the following alphabets have line symmetry? किसकी line symmetry है? P की नहीं है.
Ma'am, P Q Z की नहीं है, A की है.
Ma'am A.
Answer is A.
Ma'am, A.
Next. Read out.
Ma'am मैं बोलूं?
बोलो. वर्टिकल मिरर बताना है, मतलब वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बतानी है.
V.
Yes, it's V. Isosceles triangle has line of symmetry how many?
Ma'am, 1.
1.
1. Z की rotational symmetry order?
1, 2.
Ma'am, 1.
2.
Ma'am 2.
Ma'am, 2.
2. 180 पे. एक बार 180 पे सेम आएगा, एक बार 360 पे सेम आएगा. Who is this?